If you've been in your current home for at least a few years, odds are you're sitting on a solid amount of equity. And here's the thing, that equity may be key to making a bigger down payment when you sell and move to your next home. Now keep in mind, you typically don't need a big down payment to buy a home, but when you are able to put at least 20% or more down, thanks to an advantage like home equity, it comes with clear perks. Here's what I mean. When you put 20% down, you won't have to borrow as much from a lender, and that saves you a lot on the interest rate in the long run, or interest, period. It also means that your monthly mortgage payment could come down and you'll get to avoid paying for private mortgage insurance. If you're ready to move, think about putting your equity towards the down payment on your next home. Ask me for a personal equity assessment today so you know what you're working with. Have a great week.